When running this program, the computer scientist in me just cringes at the inefficiency of 60 times per second running a forever loop that checks the conditions when that isn't necessary all the time. So some things you do have to check all the time. Because the bat, for example, is moving, I always need to know if I'm in collision with the bat. But other things, the only time I'm going to hit those things are going to be if I'm moving and after a move. So I can use abstraction. I can use build a block, something we in computer science call procedural abstraction, to save 60 times per second, making my computer program significantly more efficient, the collision check that is running forever for the touching color. Now, this bat check I still need to do because the bat is moving on its own. I could add the procedural abstraction to the bat, but for now, every time the bat moves, but for now, I only want to check after movement for these items. So I'm going to add a block called check collision. And that is going to check for a collision only after movement. So this check collision block is only for movement. And then I made the block. Now I'm going to check for collision after every time I move, which is going to be significantly more efficient than checking for collision 60 times per second. I'm saving a lot of processing power. So let's see if it works. So, yep, it still works there. Does the victory still work? Yep, the victory still works. Now, does my bat still work? Another question. So, here's my level with the bat. Does it still work if I collide with the bat? Yep. And can I still avoid the bat? Yes, I can still avoid the bat and beat the maze without touching the bat. Everything seems to be working now that I've done procedural abstraction and saved that 60 times per second. I was checking conditions I only need to check after every move.